usuke waba nabantu mhlampe izinto iy'nkulumo ey'fana nalezo eziza kuwena ey'tshengisa ukungathembi nje ukuthi hhayi ngeke wena John Thandeka King ube uMakhosi udlala ngathi. And how do you deal with that?
No, I don't think I've ever had anyone ridicule my calling, ever. I think it's because my very presence states the fact that I don't walk alone. I don't know. Mina, when I feel my presence, because you feel yourself, you can tell even when you are around people, your energy changes people around you. It's either I always bring a lighter energy, I think. I always make people laugh. So you can't make people happy on your own. Something's gotta be with you in order for you to be that charismatic person who makes people happy. You've got to walk with something special. So I've always known there's something special about me, because whenever I'm in a crowd of people, with a crowd of people, or in a crowded room, the attention will always eventually just come to, I'll be the center of the circle type of thing, because of my jokes, or whatever, but I've always known that I've never ever come across anyone. Maybe they ridicule me in secret, but I've never been ridiculed. My calling has never been ridiculed. And I think I've always been respected. Because I think I spoke up at the very beginning of my career as well. I think I went on Zaziwa very early. I think it was 2016 when I spoke about my journey as well. And so people are aware, and those that are not aware, maybe it's because they missed that. But it's on YouTube. They can actually go and see that interview again. So no, I have not been unlucky enough to be we entertainment industry, and then suddenly, if it has been said, kushuti I didn't see it, no, I didn't hear it, and ngiyajabula futhi, because I never want to hear anything negative. Angisiyena umuntu othanda izinto ezinegative. Ngcono ngingakuzwa noma ngakuboni, ngoba kuyangiphula umoya. Mina ngumuntu ophuka kalula umoya, which means I always say I'm more spirit than physical. That's why ngisheshe ukuphuka umoya, ngoba umoya wami iwona ongaphe kwami.